Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shania Matanje, and on this video I am going to share with you guys how I did this makeup. This is my everyday makeup. I always wear this makeup. I like nude minimum makeup, so I decided to share with you guys. I'm going to use a lot of these blushes. The link is on the description link below. If you want, you can go and check out. So I'm starting with brows brush. I'm brushing my brows. Then I am taking my brow gel. This is a gel that is always coming in two colors. There is a brown one and this is a dark one. I love the dark one, and I'm using the powder because, as I said, that guys, this is a nude makeup, everyday makeup. So I'm filling the end of my brows. I just wanted my brows to look as natural as possible. Then I am brushing with the same brow brush that I used before. Then I am using this foundation. It is perfect foundation. It is matte foundation, and it is amazing. I have been using for so long. I just forgot the name, but I am going to leave the link on the description link below. So I am using my foundation to clean my brows. Normally a lot of people are using concealer, but because I didn't want to have a very shine under my brows, so I decided to use the brows. Then I'm taking this brush and then cleaning the foundation under my brows like this. Then I'm taking the rest of the foundation and applying it all over my face, but I am using the highlight technique to apply my foundation like this. Then I am taking my mini sponge and start blending. You guys, if you want your foundation, take your time. If you want your foundation to look flawless, take your time on this process. Just blend until it is perfect. Then I am taking off my scarf. I use this scarf to lay down my edges. I just take that off because I didn't want to have the line, so I am taking the excess foundation and taking it on my edges. You guys don't leave the line. You have to make sure that your foundation is blended nicely. And I'm taking my foundation on my neck, on my ears, everywhere, so that I can have one color when anybody look at me, and they can see like I am looking the same. Okay guys, I am going to use my normal powder that I am always using. The name of the powder is Sex Powder, and I love this powder because it have a red undertone. And I'm going to use this big powder brush to apply the powder. As I said, I love this powder because it have red undertone on it. So yeah, I'm going to apply it all over my face, my neck, and my ears. Yeah, like this. Then I'm taking Kylie Jenner's eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the darkest to define my eyes. Then I'm taking the bronze. I didn't share with you guys, but the link is on the description link below. I am just applying that on my nose, and then I am taking my highlighter and apply it on my eyes as eyeshadow, because I like the tone of this highlighter because it has gold on it. And yeah, like this. Then I am taking my eye pencil, and this pencil, you can use it on your brows, on your lashes, as the lip liner, wherever. And I'm using the dark shade, because I'm not going to apply anything on my lashes, so this is only product that I use there. And then I am taking this contour stick. I don't know the name of the, I know the name but I cannot pronounce it, and I'm using it on my lips. Yes, I am using my contour stick on my lips because I like the dark brown on it. And then I am taking this mini lipstick and apply on top of that. This lipstick has dark brown color with a little bit of red, so that it can give me the perfect look like this. So this is the final look, guys. Yeah, so as I said, this is everyday makeup. Like if you are home like this and you want to apply a little bit makeup, you can just use this tutorial, and yeah,